Hi, welcome back to my AI tutorial channel. Today I will show you how to create AI-generated QR art easily and for free. So let's get started. Step 1. Create a QR code. To start creating an AI-generated QR code, go to the Quick QR Art website. You can find the link in this video description. You can create any QR code you want, like for a website link, text, email, location, phone number, SMS, WhatsApp, Skype, Zoom, Wi-Fi password, V-card, event, PayPal, and Bitcoin. In this example, I will generate a QR code for the How To in 5 Minutes YouTube channel. You can also change the color, design, add a logo, frame, and adjust the image size. After everything is set, click the Save button. Download the QR code in PNG format. Step 2. Join the Quick QR AI Discord. To use this AI tool, you need a Discord account. Go to the Quick QR Art website and click the Join Beta Now button, then click Accept Invite. Step 3. Upload your QR image to the Pastebin channel. Drag and drop your image, then press Enter. Click on the image, right-click, and select Copy Image Address. Step 4. Go to the PixelML Bot channel. Type / and select Generate. Now type your prompt after the prompt parameter. Describe the image you want to generate. In this example, I will generate an anime girl image. After that, paste your image URL after the URL parameter. Press Enter to start generating your AI QR image. You can add optionals parameters if needed. Generating QR AI images is easy if the purpose is just to generate a unique image. However, to create a beautiful and scannable image, you need to put in more effort. Here are some examples that I generated using this AI tool. Thank you for watching this AI tutorial video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to support my work. See you in the next AI tutorial video. Bye-bye!